So you want to avoid dodgy YouTube advice that ruins your channel. But you're sat on your toilet right now and you've only got 5 minutes. Well, let's get to it then. The advice I mean. Not your toilet business. Uploading consistency means daily, no matter what. Daily uploads for most human beings are a speed run to burnout. Consistency doesn't mean post every day until your soul evacuates your body. It means upload on a schedule you can sustain long enough to get better at making videos. I will always take one banger video a week over 7. I film this at 2 AM and I regret my life decisions videos. Unless it goes 1 of 10, of course, which it always frigging does. More videos automatically means more growth. If your ideas suck, uploading more videos doesn't fix a problem. That's like saying I'm bad at cooking, so I'll just make 12 dinners tonight. Now, quantity does help when the quality of the videos are improving. Otherwise, you're just flooding your channel with content even your own mum wouldn't click. And legally, she's supposed to love everything you do. If big creators do it, you should copy them. Big creators can upload my first vlog and get over 5 million views. If you do that, YouTube won't even send you a participation medal. I had to 3D print this one myself. Copying big creators doesn't make you stand out. It turns you into YouTube wallpaper. So instead, study successful creators' formats and their thinking. The hook, the promise, the emotion. Then transform all of that into your style, your voice. Chase every trend for viral growth. Trends are fine, but chasing every single one of them turns your channel into a chaotic desk full of junk. 1 week it's AI, the next week it's I tried the Mr. Beast diet, and then you're only speaking in TikTok sounds for 24 hours. That sounds like a good idea, actually. Embrace the trends that fit your channel. Don't let them replace it, or you'll go viral for something you never want to do ever again. Search engine optimization is the key to instant success. So SEO can help with discovery, but YouTube doesn't reward the keywords you use. It rewards your viewers' behavior. Did they click? Did they watch? Did they get value? And did they come back for more? That's what matters, because you can't keyword stuff your way to success like it's a Subway sandwich. Unless... Tags are critical to ranking your videos. Yeah, sure, tags exist, but so what? Video tags are like putting racing stripes on a shopping trolley. Technically, it is an improvement, but you're still pushing around a shopping trolley. There are countless videos on YouTube that rank #1 with no tags whatsoever. Your title and your thumbnail matter more. Your first 30 seconds of your video matter more. Your video idea matters more. Your video tags matter less. You thought I was going to say more, didn't you? You can rip clips from films and TV with minimal changes. For the time being, at least, copyright does still exist. Fair use isn't a magic shield you unlock by flipping the video vertically and adding subtitles. If you are using copyrighted content, you need to transform it properly and understand the risk, because tiny clips does not automatically mean safe to steal and re-upload. Shorts automatically boost long-form videos. It has been proven time and time again. Getting shorts viewers to watch long-form videos is an absolute nightmare. It is a completely different viewing experience in the same way a #1 is very different to a #2 as a toilet experience. Same destination, but very different intentions and very different expectations. So don't build a shorts channel with the assumption that once you're monetized, you can earn more cash by getting that audience to watch your long form videos. YouTube may shadow ban your channel at any moment. Look, YouTube secretly isn't doing this. Yes. Most of the time, what people call shadow banning is simply low click-through rate, low retention, or the video itself just not connecting with the audience. It is not a conspiracy. It is simply content feedback. Painful, yes, but useful, absolutely. Analytics matter from day one. Early YouTube analytics are very noisy and very temperamental. They will mess with your head. One day, you'll be on an emotional high when your first video cracks 1,000 views. And then the next one gets 50 views. The algorithm hurts me. At the beginning of your YouTube journey, focus on learning the basics, ideas, hooks, clarity, storytelling. Fall in love with being creative first, and then decide who your target audience is and what you want to talk to them about. One bad video will kill your channel. A flop won't kill your channel. A pattern of weak content will. One bad video is just data. 2 bad videos is a trend, but 10 bad videos is a lifestyle choice. So learn, adjust, and move on. Always follow the YouTube advice. Here's the truth, every creator's YouTube path is different. Some of the advice here will make sense, but for others, it will actually be counterproductive. What I always say is this, nothing beats experience. So stop watching videos about how to YouTube, get off the toilet, and start doing some YouTubing yourself.
vidIQ in the mix, stats on the rise, views climbing high, no surprise, monetize.